I'm a fan of everybody on this show. Like, this is an unbelievable cast, but I'm such a fan of hers. It's like whatever Molly's done over the years, I'm like, I watch that, I believe it. But I have to say, like, the first time I saw it, because I hadn't seen the original, and I was blown away. Like, Molly delivers something that doesn't exist anywhere else, and it's so infectious. It really, like, it takes over kind of everything, and like, I just think like she's really incredible in every aspect. But really, like, she can do anything.
Oh my God, the feeling is very mutual.
Come
I mean,
on.
I that's how I feel about Maya, and it's such a pleasure when you act with somebody that makes you want to be so much better, and it just makes the scene better, and you want to live up to how you think of them. And Michelle Nader is just such a huge fan of Maya's, and we were just like jumping for joy when we found out she was going to do it, because she was in Spain, and Michelle was like, "Did you hear from Maya? Did you hear from Maya?" I was like, "No, I haven't heard from her yet."
Spent
And
a
we were
lot
like,
of time in
"Yay!"
Spain. A lot
You
of time.
are. Let's be.
I know. I
very
was in
worldly.
Spain.
Yeah,
I'm
you were
very
in Spain.
worldly. I was in Spain, España. I need to come around here more often.
Yeah, you do.
It's like really doing wonders for my ego today. I'm having a great day.